Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices and download an app called Samsung Smart Switch. Now open it, click Continue, then tap on Allow and select Send Data on Samsung device and Receive Data on XCover Pro. Then tap on Wireless, choose an Android and click Wireless again. Tap Allow to accept connection request on Samsung device and wait. Swipe up to see more or on XCover, and over here, if you want to send all of your files, you need to scroll all the way down and click on Transfer. But it will take some time, so I will just click on All, tap on Images, and select this one photo by clicking on it, choosing Done, and tapping Transfer. Then click Close on Samsung device and go to home screen on XCover. Now if I go into Folder My Files, it should be over here, and select in my case Images, I can see that my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!